Imagine waking up tomorrow knowing you have a skill that can make you $10,000 a month from your laptop, from anywhere in the world. No boss breathing down your neck, no waiting years for a promotion, no degree required. Sounds unrealistic? It's not. Because right now there are people just like you making that kind of money. Not because they're lucky, but because they learned the right skills. And in this video, I'm going to break down the exact high-income skills that can get you there, even if you're starting from zero. Why skills matter. Let's get one thing clear. The world doesn't pay you for your time anymore. It pays you for value. And high-income skills are simply skills that solve expensive problems, help businesses make money, or save them time. If you can do any of those at a high level, hitting 10K month becomes realistic, not overnight, but absolutely achievable. So let's dive into the most powerful ones. 1. Copywriting, selling with words. This is one of the highest paying skills on the internet. Copywriting is basically writing words that make people take action, buy a product, sign up, click a link. Every business needs this. Websites, emails, ads, sales pages. And here's the crazy part. A good copywriter can make a company millions, so paying you 2K, 5K per project is nothing to them. Why it can hit 10K month, 4 clients paying $2,500 and 10K, or even 1-2 big clients with retainers. Best part, you don't need perfect grammar, you need to understand psychology. 2. Digital marketing. Traffic gives money. If copywriting is the message, digital marketing is the distribution. This includes Facebook, Instagram ads, Google ads, SEO, search engine optimization, social media growth. Businesses are constantly trying to answer one question. How do we get more customers? If you can answer that, you're valuable. Example. You help a business spend $2,000 on ads and make $10,000 back. They'll happily pay you $1,000, $3,000 per month. Scale that to a few clients and you're at 10K month. 3. High-ticket sales, closing deals. This is one of the fastest ways to hit 10K month. You don't need your own product. You sell someone else's. High-ticket sales means selling products or services worth $1,000, $3,000, even $10,000 plus, and you earn a commission. Example, you close a $5,000 deal, you earn 10%, her $500 close 20 deals, month, $10,000. And yes, people are doing this remotely on Zoom calls. This skill is powerful because it directly connects to revenue. 4. Video editing, content. Shah's attention. We are living in the attention economy. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, content is everywhere. But here's the truth, most creators and businesses don't want to edit their own videos. That's where you come in. If you can, edit fast, add engaging cuts, captions, effects. Understand what keeps viewers watching. You can easily charge $500, $2,000 per client monthly. With just 5 to 10 clients, you're at 10K a month. And demand? It's exploding. 5. Web development, no-code development. Every business needs a website, but not every business owner knows how to build one. You can learn basic web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or no-code tools like Webflow, Shopify, WordPress, and start charging $1,000, $5,000 per website. Do just 2 to 5 projects per month and you're there. Even better, offer maintenance or monthly retainers. 6. AI, automation and prompt engineering, new opportunity. This is one of the newest and fastest growing skills right now. Businesses are trying to figure out, how do we use AI to save time and money? If you can, automate workflows, build AI tools, use platforms like ChatGPT, Zapier, you can charge businesses to automate customer support, generate content, streamline operations because you're saving them hours or even entire salaries. This is a huge opportunity right now. 7. Content creation, Build your own brand. Instead of working for clients, you can build your own audience. Platforms: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Once you grow, you can make money through ads, sponsorships, digital products, courses. This is slower at first, but it scales massively. One video can reach millions, and one audience can generate 10K a month or more. Reality check: what it actually takes. Now let's be honest, none of these skills are get rich quick. You won't wake up tomorrow making 10K a month. But here's what will happen if you stay consistent. Month 1, 2. Learning month 3 to 4. First clients or small income month 6 plus real momentum. 1 year. 5K, 10K a month is possible. The difference between people who make it and those who don't. They stick with one skill long enough to get good at it. How to get started. Simple plan. If you're feeling overwhelmed, here's a simple roadmap. Pick one skill. Don't try all of them. Spend 1 to 2 hours daily learning it. Practice with real projects. Start offering your service, even for free at first. Build a portfolio. Start charging. Consistency beats talent every time. Closing. Strong ending. Right now, there are 2 types of people watching this. The first type will say, "Wow, that's interesting," and then go back to scrolling. The second type will say, "I'm picking a skill, and I'm starting today." A year from now, those 2 people will be living completely different lives. So the question is, which one are you? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.